Dear friends, I am Vishwajit Maiti and welcome to my channel Vishwajit Almighty's English Literature for Net Set Lectureship. Dear friends, today I am going to share a video where you can learn how to present a demo in a classroom. When you are asked in an interview or when you are facing an interview. Friends, when you are allowed to present a demo in a classroom, you have to enter the classroom in a smiling way or with a smiling face, because smile can win anything in the world. And after entering the classroom, you have to say before the students, "Hi students, good morning students," or "Good afternoon students," when the time is. And you have to introduce yourself in a casual way or in your own way. And after that, you have to write the date on the whiteboard or blackboard. Here, date. Suppose today is 28th January 2021. You can write the word subject also. Then class also. You have to write the topic after that. But you must not mention the topic at once, because it is a wrong way. Suppose I am going to teach The Solitary Reaper, the famous poem written by William Wordsworth, the famous poet. But I must not write down the poem, The Solitary Reaper, here at once, because it is a wrong way to present a demonstration. Alright, before writing down the topic, we have to create a situation or an environment before the students, that the students may guess which topic we are going to learn or we are going to teach. I am going or you are going to teach the poem The Solitary Reaper. So I have to ask a few questions before the students. If there is anyone who is the daughter or son of a farmer, if there is anyone who has gone cornfields or who has observed the corns in a field, then they will answer their right answers in their casual way. And after that, the environment will be very easier to mention the topic. After that, we have to mention the topic, The Solitary Reaper. we have to write the poet here also by William Wordsworth, but you cannot write if you wish. After announcing the topic or after mentioning the topic, we have to go through the topic, or we have to go through the poem, The Solitary Reaper, written by William Wordsworth. We must read out the lines of the poem one by one, and we have to explain every critical word or every important word, or we have to explain the idioms or phrases in the poem. Suppose we have to mention or explain the word solitary in this way: solitary. What is the meaning of solitary? Who is solitary? The reaper also. Reaper. What is the meaning of the reaper? Why the reaper is called the solitary? There is also a phrase, Highland lass. Highland lass. What is the meaning of Highland lass? Who is Highland lass here? We have to mention. And after mentioning or explaining every critical words or every critical phrases or every critical idioms before the students, we have to complete the poem. And you have to, or I have to allow the students to ask me their own questions, and I have to answer them one by one. This is the way to present a demo in a classroom. Thank you.